Morena te whānau, it's Jackie here. Hope you are well. If you're new to our channel, my name is Jackie, and alongside my husband, we run a Māori business here in Tamaki Makaurau and create content on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. As you can see, I'm currently in Bunnings at the moment. This video, I thought I would just take you along our morning and pretty much show you guys what we're up to today. Pretty exciting day. This is my first time with my darling alone. First time driving alone with her. Usually my darling is our driver and we are at the back. But she did so well. She's currently... Oh! Hello! I like this girl. I thought she was asleep. She crashed out on the way. So we're actually here because we need to get some more void filler, as you can see here, for our pakehi, for packaging our taonga. We've got a bunch of custom orders to get out, so I grabbed some of those and also some tissue paper as well. Gonna go get some insulation tape. Hey, say hello. And maybe a coffee because Mama needs one. So let's go. So usually this place is pretty dangerous when me and my darling are together because we come in for one thing and we end up buying 5 things we didn't need. That's okay. Also loving the Christmas vibes. Okay, where's insulation? I think it's down this way. I'm not seeing it at whānau. Can only see duct tape, packaging tape, scotch. I don't think those are the right ones. Oh wow, might just have to get that from Hammer Hardware. I've always wanted to get some of these nice outdoor sets. That one's pretty cheap. One day e te whānau. What do you guys always get sucked into when you come to Bunnings? Pop it in the comments below. My God, e te whānau. Cannot wait to start getting our darling these. Hey my love, you're going to be out in the shed with us, eh? Plants has us on a chokehold as well. But we are moving in a couple of weeks. Looking forward to sharing all of that update. So yeah, we're trying not to buy things and just cull. Got my iced coffee and yeah, we will be making our way back home to get ready to pack all of our koi. So we will see you guys at home. I'm gonna be honest, it is the next day. Mum life just kicked in yesterday. My darling wanted all the snuggles and yeah, I just didn't get up to recording any more content. At the moment, I'm currently with Papa. And we are on the way, we are here actually, to a place called Pack and Send. So what we are currently doing is we are delivering our bulk order of koi to a pakehi called Awhi Company to her store in Tauranga, and yeah, we're gonna speak to these lovely people to try and get this boxed up so that we can take it. At the moment we've been doing this real makeshift box, taping a bunch of our boxes for our individual koi together, so yeah, it's just not very nice. So let's see what we can do. That was a complete success at Te Whānau.
Level 2, 4.
We happened to see one of the wahine that did a workshop with my darling for King's Trust. Yeah, she mentioned to us at the workshop, it was over a year ago now, that she worked at this place and we've been meaning to go there ever since. So yeah, she is going to make a custom box for us, and to send that rako koikoi tonga to Tauranga was $100, so money well spent.
Yep.
Now we are in Tekotiri Mall. Gonna go get our darling some nappies, Rascal and Friends, because those are the best for Pepe with chunky thighs.
Oh, it's damn white.
Like our darling, hey! This is cute. Those are comfy ones for you, eh? We're gonna go to Farmers, and now we're going to this. We are back home. We had dinner, did all of our chores. Our darling is down. Hopefully she has a good rest. She's been going through a little bit of sleep regression, we feel, because she's hit 4 months. So her day naps haven't been too consistent. But anyway, got some good things from the mall. We got a couple of random things, but we thought we might as well do a bit of our Christmas shopping while we're there. A little while ago I ordered a couple of things from this small business here in New Zealand, from a business called Creators Kit. So we got our daughter Te Amarangai this Santa sack, which is super cute. It's personalised with her name on it. For Christmas, probably for birthdays and everything, we actually don't want to go too hard out with presents and be a bit more thoughtful in what we purchase, especially for babies, because they grow so quickly, and yeah, we just want to buy quality things or a couple of thoughtful gifts as opposed to buying heaps of stuff they don't really need. So yeah, planning to pop a couple of things in there. Caleb's mum also had this great idea a couple of years ago, I think she saw it on Pinterest, following these different things here. So again, we got it personalized. So cute. So it's something to wear, something you need, something you want, and something to read. So that is what we're going to follow in terms of our gift giving for our darling, and probably all of our whānau as well, or mostly the kids. We're not really buying for anyone else. Yeah, just purchased a couple of bodysuits from Farmers. Got a couple of merino ones as well because it's super hot here. Quality. Our darling is sizing up really quickly as well, so just making sure that we've got enough unders. She obviously can't read this, but this is probably more for us and for her. It's visually appealing, but we're going to collect all the Where's Wally. Really loved looking at these back at school. Obviously very visually appealing. Something to read. I don't know what she wants, but I thought this would be pretty cute. She loves the water with her swimming lesson, so we thought it would be nice. Probably not this summer because we can't put sunblock on her until she's 6 months, but yeah, maybe autumnish we can use that. Yeah, and something to wear, we purchased some beautiful whenua PJs. If you don't know, my darling's whānau also own Whenua Limited, and they've got some beautiful Christmas PJs that they've brought out, so we purchased some of those to have on the morning of Christmas, and also got our darling a little bobble as well, so it says Te Amarangai's first Christmas. And lastly, a little crate. So anyway, that was our shopping. I am going to jump on the laptop, hubby's on it at the moment, to do some editing. I've got a whole bunch of reels that I need to do for gifted collabs. If you guys are interested in understanding how I edit videos and my editing process on Final Cut Pro a little bit more in depth, then let us know in the comments below. Just gonna do that. Yeah, get ready for bed. My darling finishes mahi tomorrow, which is really exciting. So yeah, we've got some huge goals. We're gonna work right through Christmas in terms of our business, and obviously doing these videos as well. So yeah, lots going on, but really just enjoying it. So that is it for this random little vlog. E te whānau. If you found value at all in this video, give us a like and subscribe, and we will catch you in tomorrow's video. Ka kite.